Welcome to our channel. Today, darlings, we're delving into the fascinating world of silent charisma. You know those people, the ones who can walk into a room and have everyone gravitating towards them without uttering a single syllable? We've all been there, mesmerized by someone who just oozes charm without so much as a "how do you do?" Well, today we're going to unlock that mystery. We're going to dive deep into 12 powerful ways you can refine and unleash your own silent charisma upon the world. Because let's face it, sometimes actions speak louder than words, even if those actions are as subtle as a smile or a knowing glance. Get ready to become the most captivating wallflower at the party, the silent force in any room. Stay tuned. Let's start with the windows to the soul, the peepers, the old eye contact. Now, I'm not talking about a creepy, unwavering stare. It's about finding that sweet spot, that connection that says, "I see you, you're interesting," without making them rearrange their silverware in a panic. Hold their gaze for a beat, just long enough to register that you're listening, you're present, then ever so slightly glance away. It shows confidence, darling, and a genuine interest in what the other person has to say. So channel your inner silver screen siren, practice that smouldering gaze in the mirror, not at unsuspecting strangers, and watch the magic happen. Now, let's talk posture, because how you carry yourself, darling, speaks volumes before you even open your mouth. Think of yourself as a magnificent shop window, and you're showcasing the most fabulous outfit. Open body language is about presenting yourself to the world with confidence and inviting interaction. Relax those shoulders, uncross those arms, and let your body language do the talking. Open body language says, "Come on in, the water's lovely." It shows that you're approachable, friendly, and open to connecting with the world around you. Let's be honest, there's nothing quite as disarming as a genuine smile. It's like a ray of sunshine, a shot of pure joy, and it's contagious. Now, I'm not talking about a plastered-on, cheesy grin. No, we're aiming for something more natural, something that crinkles the corners of your eyes and makes you glow from within. A smile can break down barriers, you see. It instantly makes you more approachable, more trustworthy, and infinitely more attractive. So, flash those pearly whites, practice that winning smile, and watch as the world smiles right back at you. Chapter 4. Dressing the part clothes as your silent spokesperson. Now let's talk about a topic close to my heart, darlings, the art of dressing. Coco Chanel once said, "Dress shabbily and they remember the dress, dress impeccably and they remember the woman." The way you present yourself to the world, from your perfectly polished shoes to the way you tie your scarf, speaks volumes about who you are and what you value. Think of your clothes as a silent language, a way of communicating your personality to the world without saying a word. If you feel good, you'll radiate confidence, and that, my friends, is the most attractive accessory of all. It's a subtle signal that says, "I've got this," and that kind of quiet confidence is utterly captivating. Chapter 5. The Lost Art: Becoming a Master Listener. Now let's talk about a skill more valuable than a winning lottery ticket, the art of truly listening. In this world of constant chatter and digital distractions, being a good listener is like finding a rare diamond, precious and oh so appreciated. True listening goes beyond simply hearing the words. It's about being present in the moment, putting aside your own thoughts and judgments, and giving the speaker your undivided attention. Good listening is a two-way street. It's not just about absorbing information, it's about engaging with the speaker, asking clarifying questions, and showing genuine interest in what they have to say. Trust me, darlings, mastering the art of listening will not only make you a more engaging conversationalist, but it will also make you a more valued friend, colleague, and human being. Chapter 6. Standing tall, confidence in your posture. Now, imagine this. You're at a bustling event surrounded by fascinating people and you spot someone you'd love to chat with. Do you shuffle over, shoulders slumped, eyes glued to the floor? Or do you approach them with your head held high, a confident stride and a twinkle in your eye? You know the answer, darlings. Our posture, that magnificent scaffolding that holds us upright, speaks volumes about our confidence and self-assurance. So stand tall, my friends, and let your posture reflect the confident, capable individual you truly are. Remember, good posture isn't about being stiff or uncomfortable. It's about finding that sweet spot between relaxed and alert, conveying a sense of ease and self-assurance. The art of subtle gestures, those nuanced movements that add colour and depth to our silent communication. Think of them as the punctuation marks of body language, adding emphasis, clarity, and a touch of theatrical flair. A well-timed nod, a gentle tilt of the head, a slight raise of the eyebrows. These are the subtle gestures that can make all the difference. But remember, subtlety is key, darlings. We're not aiming for grand sweeping gestures that would make a conductor proud. Think of it like adding a sprinkle of seasoning to a delicious dish, just enough to enhance the flavour without overpowering the palate. All right, let's talk about boundaries, darlings. And I don't mean the kind you draw in the sand at the beach. I'm talking about personal space, that invisible bubble of comfort we all carry around with us. Now, we all have different comfort zones when it comes to personal space. The key is to be mindful of these unspoken boundaries and to respect the other person's need for space. Pay attention to the other person's body language. Are they leaning in, eager to connect, or are they subtly backing away, seeking a little more breathing room? A little personal space can make the conversation all the more engaging. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of mirroring. And no, I don't mean checking your lipstick in a compact. This is about subtly reflecting the other person's behaviour, creating an instant sense of connection and rapport. Think of it like a dance, a delicate back and forth where you subtly match the other person's energy and movements. If they lean in, you lean in. If they speak softly, you lower your voice. It's about finding that unspoken rhythm, that effortless synchronicity that says we're on the same wavelength. Done well, it can create a sense of instant connection. Chapter 10. The calm in the chaos. Exuding an aura of tranquility. Let's face it, darlings, the world can be a bit of a whirlwind. So, in the midst of all this chaos, wouldn't it be lovely to be the calm in the storm, the eye of the hurricane? Exuding calmness, my friends, is a superpower. It's about finding that inner stillness, that sense of peace that radiates outwards and draws people in. So take a deep breath, channel your inner Zen master, and let the world be captivated by your quiet strength and unwavering calm. Chapter 11. Infectious energy radiating positivity. Have you ever noticed, darlings, how some people just light up a room? They walk in, and it's like someone's cranked up the wattage, filling the space with their infectious energy and zest for life. That, my friends, is the power of positive energy. When you radiate positivity, it's like sprinkling magic fairy dust wherever you go. People are naturally drawn to those who exude warmth, optimism, and genuine enthusiasm. So crank up that inner sunshine, let your positivity shine, and watch as the world gravitates towards your infectious energy. Chapter 12. The power of patience, a silent strength. Patience, my friends. That elusive virtue we all strive for but often struggle to maintain. In a world of instant gratification and fast-paced living, patience can feel as outdated as a rotary phone. But trust me, darlings, it's a quality worth cultivating. Patience is a silent strength, a quiet confidence that whispers, I can wait, I can handle this, I'm not going to lose my cool over a spilled latte. So cultivate your patience, my friends, and watch as it transforms your interactions and your outlook on life. Outro. Unleash your inner charmer. The journey begins. So there you have it, my friends, 12 steps to unleashing your inner charmer, to becoming the most captivating wallflower at the party. Remember, silent charisma isn't about being the loudest voice in the room, it's about mastering the art of subtle communication, of captivating without uttering a word. It's about the way you carry yourself, the energy you radiate, and the genuine interest you show in others. It's about listening intently, observing carefully, and responding with warmth and authenticity. Now, go forth and conquer, my silent charmers. The world is your oyster, and I have a feeling you're about to make a very big impression.